Hello, I am Rajalakshmi. My son is Amit Narayan. He is studying in 11th grade. Our journey with AhaGuru is for the past 3 years. This is the third year. Well, he was studying in 9th standard. It was during Corona time. So we wanted an additional support for him with respect to studies, academic studies. So we thought we were looking for some online institutes who can teach him. At the same time, he doesn't have the pressure of academic pressure in his. He doesn't feel the academic pressure. So we thought of giving a chance to AhaGuru, and our decision was very good. So the 9th standard, his journey in 9th standard was very good. So we were happy. So we selected 10th standard also for him, AhaGuru foundation course. So it was very good for him, and his course in 10th standard was very good. He has done very well, and his term 1 scores was also very good. Terms 2 scores we are waiting for. Since we were very happy with his performance, we have now opted for JEE live session course in 11th standard also. So we have an idea. We are not going for any other coaching institute except AhaGuru. And the speciality about AhaGuru is they are making children develop interest in the subject. They are having fun. At the same time, they are having interest towards the subject. They feel like they want to attend the classes. They are looking eagerly for the classes, sessions, and they give each and every session consists of test, apart from other testers that they have in the practice test and all. So they are attending test eagerly, and they are performing well. Each and every step, it is their way of approach is like they are making studies a daily based routine activity, and it is not like during exams we take our books and study. It is not like that. Daily 3 days a week they have sessions, and 3 days they have test. So the other alternate day he will be preparing for the test that will be for the next day, and he will be attending the test. So day by day, each and every step, during the end of the year he would have completed the full portion, and he will be very confident for the exam, and he will do the exams very well. So this was our journey. Our journey was like this for the past 2 years, and we hope it would be the same for the next 2 years also. And we are planning him for NIT college. So we have opted AhaGuru for only AhaGuru for his live session for JEE coaching. So it is going with AhaGuru is very good as far as my son is concerned. So thanks to AhaGuru. Thank you.
Vanakkam, my name is Krishna Kumar. The main thing that we'll seen from the point of view as a parents with the AhaGuru is that it gives a very good platform on making the students understand the concepts, whether it's maths or the chemical equations or a physics solutions. It gives them a fun-filled learning, because whenever you learn a thing with a fun-filled, it is easy for them rather than making it tough. This gives an additional support in addition to his academic learning. This gives an extra platform where he learns more on these things. We presume that he will be having further fun-filled learning with AhaGuru, because learning and concept in depth with the basic things are very main for a future career, because where you will be having your kids to know what is what in the things from which is learned from the 9th to 12th. That's what it's implied or applied on the day-to-day life. That part AhaGuru serves him a very best thing. This is the main thing that I felt or we felt in that learning him. Thanks.